Hey beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are good. I am so excited to be doing this video. Just guess what we'll be doing. Just finished washing my hair and now what I'm gonna do is just blow dry it. I'm just gonna blow dry it and then we'll take it from there. So join me in this journey of blow drying my hair. So the first thing you want to do is just moisturize your hair. Not really moisturizer, but let me give an explanation real quick. The reason why I said not really moisturize your hair was because remember we want to straighten our hair, so if you put too much moisture on it, our hair will become frizzy. First thing I'm going to do is blow dry to make everything more manageable. In one hand I had the hair dryer and on the other hand I was just gently pulling my hair, holding that section of the hair as straight as possible. So one would ask, what is the reason I do this? Well, I do this because we want to get the maximum length, and remember, we want our hair to be as straight as possible. I find this method way more convenient rather than having to stop the small sections. I mean, our hair absorbs lots of moisture, and at this point I did not have any heat protector or anything, so my hair was gonna get dry and it was gonna get dry in the same length. So while I was doing this, remember, maximum length once again. So yeah, the girl is just gently pull it. Remember, this is 4C hair, babes, and you can't just put ikama pagat. So ikama too needs to be our hands. You know, you can control your hands rather than ikama. You don't know if it's uktala or whatever. So if you feel like there's something between your fingers, you can let them loose. Whereas with the comb will take everything out, child. Okay, here I'm trying to, speed up the process. But I also wanted to ensure that you guys get the best out of the video. So yeah. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? It is so pretty. It's so pretty. You know where the danger is. So now I was preparing to work with small sections. I worked on small section because I wanted my hair curls to loosen up, and I knew by doing this I would achieve the look that I was going for. So I started at the front because it somehow motivated me to continue with the other parts of my hair. And here, as you can see, I'm basically combing my hair. Why? Because to ensure that there are no knots, I start at the end of my hair because that's like the oldest part of your hair, and I'm trying to be gentle as possible, guys. this is me being gentle with my hair, guys. But anyways, yeah, combing that hair. Sis is making sure that the hair is combed. Hey, so yeah, you take a dryer and you just run it up and down. Yeah, boy, that is what you do. The dryer was so hot, you know. And one would ask about heat damage. Aren't you scared? I was scared, child. I'm going to emphasize this whole heat damage thing. I mean, I was wondering to myself, will my hair go back to its natural state, you know? And this actually was my second time doing this. The first time that I did it, I saw my hair being, great. I was like, ooh. Look at that, child. Look at that. That's straight. We don't even have his straight now. Look at that. Look at that. It looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. Okay, I did the same process, starting at the ends, ensuring that the ends are almost part of your hair moisturized. Then after that, look at me applying a lot. It's like I didn't apply it all, and you will see the repercussions. Yeah, I'm trying to be gentle as possible and I'm trying to be quick as possible. So this is me continuing with the same process of running the dryer up and down, trying to have it as well, I thought starting my hair from the front would kind of motivate me. But I was lying. I was lying to myself. Honestly speaking, I just wanted to see if this works. So that's why I started at the front, because I wanted to see, like, does this work? Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? Yeah. It kind of was demotivating because the part that I wanted to see the most was the one that I did first. So the back, I was a bit exhausted to do the back, Hey guys, so I am done blow drying my hair and now I don't know what to do. I really have to think about something, but let me just get dressed, do my face, not really do my face, but let me just get dressed and go buy hair extensions, and then I'll come back. You can see I was doing the brows. I don't know how to do makeup, but brows are important. That's the thing I know, and I know that I have bushy brows. Yeah.